Most people believe aging and fat gain are irreversible biological processes over time. But inside your body, millions of repair systems are slowly becoming less active daily. The real problem is not aging itself, but the signals controlling your internal regeneration. Stem cells do not disappear as you age, they simply stop receiving activation signals. Without these signals, repair slows down, inflammation rises, and fat becomes harder to burn. This creates the illusion that the body is breaking down beyond recovery permanently. But the truth is far more surprising and far more empowering than most expect. Your body already contains millions of stem cells waiting to be activated naturally, and simple daily habits can trigger these cells within hours, not years or decades. In this video, you will discover how to activate regeneration and fat burning naturally. Imagine your body as a city, constantly repairing roads, buildings, and electrical systems.
Stem cells are like emergency repair teams, waiting quietly for signals to deploy. They circulate through your bloodstream, searching for damage that needs immediate attention. But without the right biochemical signals, they remain inactive and unavailable for repair. Certain compounds in food act like alarm systems that call these cells into action. Polyphenols activate endothelial nitric oxide pathways, improving blood flow and signaling repair. This process enhances circulation and allows stem cells to reach damaged tissues efficiently. Studies show that polyphenol-rich foods increase circulating stem cells in older individuals significantly. Even people with cardiovascular disease showed improved vascular flexibility after consistent intake. This means regeneration is not lost. It is simply waiting for the right biological trigger. Chocolate has been misunderstood because of sugar, not because of its core compounds. High cacao dark chocolate contains powerful molecules called proanthocyanidins that influence cellular behavior. These compounds reduce oxidative stress and activate nitric oxide production in blood vessels. This leads to improved circulation, allowing nutrients and repair cells to travel more efficiently. In clinical observations, dark chocolate increased stem cell mobilization in older adults significantly. Their blood vessels became more flexible, improving what scientists call flow-mediated dilation. This is not about indulgence. It is about using food as a signaling tool. Like flipping a switch, these compounds tell your body to begin repair processes immediately. The darker the chocolate, the stronger the signal, due to higher polyphenol concentration. Food is not just fuel, it is information that programs your biology continuously. Most people believe fat loss depends only on calories, but biology tells a different story. Chronic inflammation acts like background noise that disrupts metabolic communication within your body. It raises cortisol levels and interferes with insulin, pushing your body toward fat storage. This is why stubborn fat often remains despite strict dieting and calorie restriction efforts. However, not all inflammation is harmful. Some of it is necessary for repair and growth. Short-term inflammation acts like a construction crew, repairing and rebuilding damaged tissues efficiently. But when inflammation becomes chronic, the crew never leaves, and damage begins to spread. Polyphenols from fruits like blueberries help regulate this process and reduce chronic inflammation. They preserve immune function and maintain natural killer cell activity, even after intense exercise. Fat burning improves when inflammation is controlled, not when calories are simply reduced aggressively. Most people focus on calories, but ignore the system that controls how calories are processed. Nearly 70% of your immune system lives inside the walls of your gut. Your gut bacteria constantly communicate with immune cells, like neighbors sharing information through thin walls. When this communication is balanced, your metabolism becomes more efficient and less inflamed. Dietary fiber feeds beneficial bacteria, producing short-chain fatty acids that regulate inflammation. These compounds improve insulin sensitivity and help the body switch into fat-burning mode. Polyphenols act as prebiotics, strengthening the microbiome and enhancing metabolic stability.
Foods like kiwi, mushrooms, and avocados support this system in surprisingly powerful ways. Mushrooms contain beta-glucans that stimulate immune responses and support stem cell activity. When your gut is healthy, your entire system becomes more resilient and metabolically flexible. Sleep is often misunderstood as inactivity, but it is one of the most active biological states. While you rest, your body shifts energy from movement into repair and regeneration processes. DNA repair increases, damaged cells are replaced, and stem cells begin their nightly patrol. The brain activates a cleaning system that removes waste and restores neural efficiency. This process is similar to a city performing maintenance when traffic is completely absent. Eating late forces your body to divide energy between digestion and repair tasks. This reduces efficiency and slows down regeneration that should occur during deep sleep cycles. Fasting before sleep enhances autophagy, the process where damaged cells are broken down. It also supports growth hormone release, which is essential for fat metabolism and tissue repair. True recovery happens when you remove distractions and allow your body to focus on repair. To activate these systems, you do not need complexity, only alignment with biology. Start by consuming polyphenol-rich foods like dark chocolate, berries, tea, and coffee daily. Avoid adding dairy to these drinks, as fat can block polyphenol absorption in the gut. Drink water based on thirst, supporting circulation and cellular function without overcomplicating hydration rules. Next, reduce your food intake slightly and stop eating before you feel completely full. This lowers insulin spikes and prevents metabolic overload that leads to fat storage. Think of your body like a fuel tank that works best when not constantly overflowing. Occasionally, skip breakfast to activate energy-sensing pathways like AMPK within your cells. This encourages fat burning and stimulates autophagy, improving cellular efficiency and repair. These habits do not force change. They simply remove barriers blocking your natural systems. Your body is not fragile. It is a highly adaptive system designed for survival. Every day, it repairs damage, regulates energy, and protects you from internal imbalance. Stem cells, immune defenses, and metabolic pathways are always working beneath your awareness. The problem is not a lack of capability, but constant interference from modern habits. Overeating, chronic stress, poor sleep, and low nutrient density disrupt these natural systems. But when you align your habits with biology, the body begins to correct itself. Regeneration is not something you add, it is something you allow to happen naturally. Even small changes can shift the signals your body receives within a single day. This is not about perfection, but about understanding and working with your internal systems. Because once you understand your biology, your decisions become more precise and effective. The human body follows biological rules shaped by evolution, hormones, and environmental signals. Stem cells respond to signals, not supplements or trends promising unrealistic transformation results. Fat loss depends on hormonal balance, inflammation control, and metabolic flexibility working together. Simple habits can activate these systems when applied consistently and without unnecessary extremes. However, individuals with diabetes, kidney disease, gout, or cardiovascular conditions should seek medical guidance. This information is educational and should not replace professional medical advice or diagnosis. Your body is constantly trying to heal, even when you are not aware of it. The key is to reduce interference and allow these systems to function efficiently again. If you want to understand how your body truly works beneath the surface, stay curious. Because once you understand the signals, even simple habits can create extraordinary biological change.